Imagine stopping hackers before they breach your favorite websites or protecting millions of users from identity theft. Cybersecurity professionals do just that. The research shows that 97% of businesses worldwide have seen a spike in cybercrime, a mix of growing sophistication among cybercriminals, broadening use of AI and other emerging tech, and the cybersecurity skills gap all contribute to the growing need for skilled professionals. With focused learning and practical experience, you can build the skills employers are desperately seeking and start a rewarding, high-demand career. In this roadmap, I'll break the learning journey into 4 clear phases. Number 1, build a solid foundation. Starting a career in cybersecurity means mastering the fundamentals first and foremost. You need to understand how computers and networks communicate, what common threats look like, and the basic principles that keep data safe. Without this solid groundwork, moving forward becomes much harder. So invest time here to make the rest of the journey smoother. To build your fundamentals, learn networking basics like IP addresses, routing, and DNS. Knowing how data flows is key to understanding attacks. Get comfortable with operating systems, including Windows and Linux, and mobile systems like Android and iOS, including their command line interfaces and security features. Study basic security concepts, including malware types, social engineering, encryption, and firewalls to recognize how attackers operate. The strong grasp you develop here will set you up for success with more advanced topics and real-world challenges. Number 2, learn core tools and techniques. In cybersecurity, hands-on skills are everything. This is where you start turning theory into real-world capability. It's also what will help you once you're working within the ever-evolving threat landscape. Start by exploring practice platforms like TryHackMe or CISA Learning, a free platform that's open to the general public. These platforms let you safely simulate penetration testing, vulnerability scanning, and incident response. Next, get familiar with core tools. Wireshark for network analysis, Nmap for scanning, and SIEM systems for monitoring threats. Don't skip documentation. Writing clear reports and logging your findings is essential for communicating security issues to your team. Hands-on experience builds confidence and makes your resume and portfolio shine to future employers. Number 3, earn certifications. In a fast-paced field like cybersecurity, certifications enhance your resume and prove that you have the skills you need to do the job. Think of them as milestones that mark your progress and show your commitment to cybersecurity. They also help you stand out in a competitive market. Start with entry-level credentials like CompTIA Security Plus to cover the broad foundational concepts every employer expects, from basic network security to understanding common threats. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can specialize. Consider becoming a certified ethical hacker to enter the world of penetration testing, or Cisco's CCNA Security to focus on network security. These certifications help you develop expertise in areas that excite you and make your profile even more appealing to employers. Plan your journey to earning credentials alongside your practical learning, and you'll be setting yourself up for long-term success in cybersecurity. Number 4, build your portfolio and launch your career. The final phase is all about proving your skills and stepping into the job market with confidence. You might think that a portfolio is only for creative professionals, but in cybersecurity, it's just as powerful. A portfolio lets you showcase real projects, challenges you've solved, and practical knowledge in a way that resumes can't alone. Plus, employers love seeing concrete examples of exactly what you can do. Want some ideas to build a strong portfolio? Take on challenges like capture the flag competitions, participate in bug bounty programs, or contribute to open source security projects. Document your progress and results in write-ups, blogs, or GitHub repositories to highlight your problem-solving abilities and technical skills. Craft your resume and LinkedIn profile to reflect your certifications, hands-on experience, and the impact you've made through your projects. Once you've got that in place, you can start applying with confidence and use each opportunity as a stepping stone. A great portfolio showcases your work and is a powerful storytelling tool that demonstrates your problem-solving process, creativity, and ability to deliver results. Your journey matters, and these small wins add up to big progress. Stick with it, and you'll be on your way to becoming the kind of defender every company is searching for. So let me ask, what's the very first thing you want to learn, or the biggest challenge holding you back? Drop it in the comments. And if this roadmap helped you see a path forward, hit subscribe for more guides, tips, and tools to grow your career. Keep learning, keep practicing, and together we'll turn your ambitions into real impact in the world of cybersecurity.